Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hopefully you are doing well. We are reading chapter 5, food. I wish you like your previous class, previous lecture, and you have completed your previous lecture perfectly. Today, in our previous class, we learned about many types of foods like energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods, protective foods, and we learned about importance of water. Today we will learn about healthy eating habits. So everyone open page number 25. This page number 25, chapter 5, page number 25, food. Healthy eating habits. So what are the healthy eating habits? We have many habits, some good habits, some bad habits. We have to maintain good habits. We have to maintain healthy eating habits. So, what are the healthy eating habits? First, healthy eating habits is eating meals at a fixed time. Eating meals at a fixed time. We should practice to take our meal at a fixed time. And we should give some standard intervals between two meals. Like, we should not eat our breakfast at 11 a.m. We should eat our breakfast 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. within 8 or 9 a.m. We should not eat our breakfast at 11 a.m. and we should not eat our lunch at 4 p.m. We should eat our breakfast within 9 a.m. We should take our lunch within 2 p.m. Then we should take some snacks at afternoon. And then we should take our dinner between 8 to 10 p.m. These are the standard timing of eating meals. And we should practice to take our meals every day at a fixed time. This is not like today we are eating our breakfast at 7 a.m. and the next day, tomorrow we will eat our breakfast at 11 p.m. 11 a.m. This is a bad habits. Good habits is we will take our breakfast, lunch and dinner at fixed time every day. Second, never miss your breakfast. Never miss your breakfast. Many of us do this. We don't want to take our breakfast. We want to go to school in hurry and we don't want to take our breakfast. This is a bad habit. Good habits is we should not miss our breakfast. We should take our breakfast and this is necessary. Third one, drink 2 glasses of milk every day. Drink 2 glasses of milk every day. This is a good habit. I know many of you don't like milk. This is a bad habit. We should drink milk, at least 2 glasses of milk every day. Milk is a healthy food and this is necessary for our body, for our body building. So, we should drink 2 glasses of milk every day. Fourth one, don't eat too much or too little. Don't eat too much or too little. Some people eat too much. Sometimes we eat too much food. This is not healthy. And sometimes we eat too little. This is also not healthy. We should eat balanced food. Eat in a balanced way. We should not eat too much. I should eat as much as I need, not as much as I want. Like if I can eat 3 plates biryani, I should not eat that. I should eat 1 plate or maximum 1.5 plates. So we have to take care about this. We should be careful. We should not eat too much or too little. Next one is very important. Wash your hands with soap before eating. Wash your hands with soap before eating. You know, very, very important habits. And nowadays, because of coronavirus, this is a mandatory. This is too much necessary habits for us. We should wash our hands with soap before eating or after using toilets. We should wash our hands. And it is must a good habits, and you should of course you should follow this habit. Washing your hands with soap before eating. Without washing our hands, we should not eat. Why you should not eat without washing our hands? Because our hands get some dirt, some bacteria, virus, etc. So if we wash our hands, our hands will be germ free, and we can take our food in a healthy way. Next, don't talk when you have food in your mouth. We should not talk when we have food in our mouth. This is a bad habit. We should talk after finishing our food. After finishing our meal, then we should talk. We should not talk when we are eating or when we have food in our mouth. Next one is eat slowly and chew your food well. Some of us take food in a hurry. This is a bad habit. We should eat slowly and chew our food very well. It helps to digest our food perfectly. But if we eat in a hurry and don't chew our food properly, then our digestive system will be harmed. Next one is always wash fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking. This is also an important habit. Of course we should wash fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking. Why it is necessary? Because if we do this, then our fruits and vegetables will be germ free, will be dust free. It is very important. Next one is eat fresh and covered food. We should not eat roadside food, uncovered food, or rotten food. We should eat fresh and covered food. And another most important point is we should not eat junk food. Junk food is unhealthy. We should eat healthy food. We should not eat junk food. So let's review the healthy eating habits again. First one is eating meals at a fixed time. Second, never miss your breakfast. Third one is drink 2 glasses of milk every day. Fourth one, don't eat too much or too little. Fifth one is wash your hands with soap before eating. Next, don't talk when you have food in your mouth. Next, eat slowly and chew your food well. Next one is always wash fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking. And last one is eat fresh and covered food. And we should not eat junk food. So these are the healthy eating habits, and we should follow these habits in our daily life. So when we are eating, what is the most important thing? What is the most important body part we need? We need teeth. We need teeth to eat and to chew the food properly. So we have to learn what is healthy teeth. Healthy teeth are those we don't have pain in our teeth. Our teeth is just okay. Our teeth are perfect for eating. We don't feel any kind of ache or any kind of pain in our teeth. Then we can say our teeth is a healthy teeth. So now we will learn about healthy teeth. Why healthy teeth is important, why brushing is important, we will learn about that. This is a healthy teeth. It is smiling teeth. This is a healthy teeth. Why healthy teeth are necessary? We need healthy teeth to chew the food. As I said before, we need healthy teeth to chew our food. We can't eat our food, we can chew our food without teeth, without healthy teeth. And how can we maintain healthy teeth? We can maintain healthy teeth by brushing our teeth at least twice a day. So this is another most important habit in our daily life is we must brush our teeth at least twice a day. We should brush our teeth at least twice a day. At morning and before sleeping. So why brushing is important? To maintain healthy teeth, brushing is important because brushing removes food particles stuck in our teeth. Brushing removes food particles stuck in our teeth. So when we are brushing, the food particles food we eat in a day, the food particles that are stuck in our teeth. Some food particles are stuck in our teeth. So to clean them, to wash them, brushing is important. If the food particles that are stuck in our teeth remains there, then our teeth will be unhealthy. Our teeth will be affected. To make our teeth healthy, to make them healthy, we should brush our teeth twice a day, at least twice a day. In the morning, after wake up from sleep, and before sleeping at night, we should brush our teeth. So, just review why healthy teeth is important. Healthy teeth is important to chew the food properly. We should brush our teeth at least twice a day, and brushing removes food particles stuck in our teeth. So this is the end of our today's lecture. I hope you like it. Try to learn from your textbook. Read your textbook first, then follow the lecture sheet. You will get more pictures there. Then listen the video carefully. Practice the exercise given in the lecture sheet. If you have any problem, try to solve it. Try to connect with your afternoon teachers. Try to solve the problems from her. And if you have problems, you can also connect with me. You can call me. I hope all of you will enjoy this chapter and you will complete this chapter very perfectly. Stay home, stay safe, don't waste your time. Allah Hafiz, Tata, Assalamu Alaikum.